Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to solve this equation. Alright, we have 2x minus 3y equals to 4, and then you have to find 9 raised to the power x over 27 raised to the power y. Okay, now from 9 raised to the power x over 27 raised to the power y, they are both multiples of 3. Alright, so we can do 3 raised to the power 2 for 9. And then for 27, we can do 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power y. 3 raised to the power 2 is 9. 3 raised to the power 3 is 27. Alright, so now let's move on. This can be written as 3 raised to the power 2x. 2 times x will give us 2x. And 3 times y will give us 3y. Now, one of the laws of exponents says that we have a raised to the power x over a raised to the power y. It will give us a raised to the power x minus y. Okay, so since they have the same base, I'm going to subtract the powers. And then I have 2 raised to the power 2x minus 3y. Okay, now let's recall. Let's recall that 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Okay, that's our equation 1. We have 2x minus 3y equals to 4. And that means that anywhere we see 2x minus 3y, we can write 4. And then from this, we have 3 raised to the power 2x minus 3y. And then 2x minus 3y is 4. You can just replace it. So that gives 3 raised to the power 4. And then what is 3 raised to the power 4? That is 81. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. That is 81. Alright guys, now let's solve something similar to that. Let's try this. We have x plus 2y equals to minus 3. Then you should find what 4 raised to the power x multiplied by 16 raised to the power y is. Okay, find 4 raised to the power x multiplied by 16 raised to the power y. Okay, now let's write our answer under the comment section. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.